Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create this one-word captions in the CapCut PC. So if you want to make your caption appear one word by one word, this is how you can do it. You can go to caption first and generate the caption for your videos. So this will make you easier to generate the caption instead of write it one by one. So this is how the caption looks like. You can see it appears in a sentence, and if you want to make it one word, you can go to the text template in here, and there will be lots of one word templates that you can choose. For example, I'm going to use this glow one word.
You know how you can style a single dress
like this, and if you want to make it appear in one sentence, okay, let's try another. Okay, this one's right here. Okay, so this is the one.
Hey girls, do you know how you can style a single dress for multiple different styles?
That's the first option, or you can also use animation. So let's deactivate this first. You can click on the captions and go to animation. Find the captions in here, captions tab, and then you can find the word.
Hey girls, do you know how you can style a single dress for?
There are lots of options that you can select it from here, but I'm going
Hey girls, do you know how you can style a single dress for
word that I selected before?
Hey girls, do you know how you can style a single dress for?
I'm going to change the font. You can also adjust the size
For multiple different styles.
So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching.
Hey girls, do you know?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye.